Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Poor microphone sound quality can often be attributed to several key factors. Firstly, hardware issues. Low-quality microphones tend to capture less detail and have a higher noise level. Secondly, environmental factors. Excessive background noise and room acoustics can greatly impact sound quality. Lastly, technical settings. Incorrect setup, such as improper gain levels or inappropriate equalization, can degrade the sound. To improve mic quality, consider upgrading your microphone, optimizing your recording environment, and adjusting audio settings for clarity and noise reduction.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.